Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So by now you already know that the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro are in the making, but now we know when it will be released. Tipster Max J has claimed on a post that the upcoming flagship devices are scheduled for the second quarter of 2020 and that the official product introduction might take place between the month of April and June. The OnePlus 6 was revealed on 22nd of May and the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro were revealed on 14th of May, so April and June seems viable. And this time the phone will be slightly costly than the previous models. The OnePlus 70 series starts at £549 with the Pro model starting at £699. We would expect the OnePlus 8 series to stay around the same price point, possibly with a slight increase. So now let's take a look at some previously leaked specs and renders. So let's start with the design. On leaks in collaboration with Cash Karo and 91 Mobiles have shown the design changes in OnePlus 8 series. According to the leaks, OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro will ditch the infamous water drop notch in favor of a punch hole display cutout. The back looks pretty similar to the existing OnePlus 7 Pro. Based on the leaked renders of OnePlus 8 series, the upcoming new OnePlus 8 flagship device is expected to arrive with a 6.5-inch display, while the Pro variant might come with a slightly bigger 6.65-inch display. Both devices will feature an in-display fingerprint reader, 90Hz refresh rate panel which are AMOLED display with a punch hole at the top left corner of the devices. The OnePlus 8 will support flat display with Full HD Plus resolution, while the Pro variant might come with Quad HD Plus resolution and a curved display. Since the smartphone is going to launch next year, I am pretty sure we'll get to see the latest Qualcomm chipset that will be revealed towards the end of 2019, which will likely be called the Snapdragon 865. It will also get 10 to 12 gigs of RAM and the same UFS 3.0 storage, making the phone even more capable to take advantage of the big screen and fast storage. Not to mention Android 10. Yes, the OnePlus 8 will be running Android 10 and will likely be among the first to try the Android R beta in the summer of next year. It is not yet clear what camera capabilities the OnePlus 8 series might offer, but renders suggest the Pro model will offer an extra sensor alongside the triple rear camera setup, likely a 3D depth sensor compared to the standard model. We believe the OnePlus 8 standard model will have a 48MP f1.6 main camera, a 12MP f2.2 telephoto lens with 4x optical zoom, and a 16MP ultra-wide-angle lens system, and maybe even more. Those specs are slightly better than the OnePlus 7 Pro and very similar to the OnePlus 7T. The OnePlus 7 Pro is almost just as water resistant as most of the competition, but the company didn't label it as such as they didn't want to spend money for the actual IP rating attachment. Well, at least that's what they claimed in the press. But this time we might actually get to see the IP rating for OnePlus 8 series. If the OnePlus 8 actually ditches the pop-up selfie camera, they will absolutely call this phone water resistant, giving them feature parity with the competition. And guess what? This time we might get to see wireless charging on OnePlus 8 series. Hopefully this is the faster wireless charging 2.0 or 3.0 technology, but we'll have to wait and see. As for battery, currently there is no information. Some sources say it will be 4500 mAh or 4000 mAh, but what we know for sure is it will have Warp Charge 30T fast charging support. So that's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Peace out.